Yes, this will be fine. Mummy bought a lovely dress.
Sounds lovely, Mummy.
Would you like some drinks or that?
Yes, your best wine. As I was saying, Mummy bought a lovely dress today, darling. As she's going to a summer ball with your father and his friend. He's a right blast. That's fine.
So what colour is the dress, Mummy?
It's black, darling. Mummy doesn't wear anything but black.
Would you care to place your order, madam?
Vegetarian lasagna.
8-ounce steak with pepper sauce.
How do you like your steak cooked, madam?
Blue, of course.
I don't know how you can eat animal flesh. How was tennis club today, darling?
Crikey. Jenny fell on the surface and bruised one of her knees, Mummy.
Oh, but you must be careful. I wouldn't want that happening to my kids.
Ignore me, Mummy. I have such pretty knees.
Don't worry, darling. Mummy will take you to the villas.
Thank you, Mummy. Could we go soon? Because I would love a nice tan before club tournament next month.
We'll see. Yes.
Would you like anything else at all, madam?
That's fine.
Oh, Mummy! Darling, doesn't feel too good.
On a clean by the morning.
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Oh. So what's my worthless piece of shit of a wife done today then? So I've been looking at those dumb fucking animals. Feed their grumpy little bellies, put food on the table. What have you done?
I cleaned the chickens out.
Speak louder, woman.
I cleaned the
Oh, never mind. Where's my tea? Look at, what's that you're wearing? What is it?
It's a dress.
Take it off! Take it off, you look like a whore.
I'm Cameron Jones, Frank.
I said take it off! Where's my tea, you whore? In the oven, is it? In the bloody oven? Why is it not on the table? I know why! Because you've been too busy making yourself like a fucking whore!
No, I'm going out. I didn't tell you.
Out! No, you're not! You get my tea in the oven, you put it on the table, you're going to run me a bath. I've been working hard today, not like you too busy doing yourself but looking like a fucking whore, so the blokes are looking at you, right? And not going out. Get it?
I'm only going round John's for a cup of tea.
Well, go get my tea, woman! I never want you seeing that whore next door again. Do you get it?
So that's 4 bags of Sandra's Fun then, yeah?
Check. And another 5 for Mr. Jones up on Tanner Farm.
So that's 9 in total then, yeah?
Check.
This is such cheap crap. Just leftovers. How do they feed this shit to their livestock?
Jason, we both know the company here just to make money.
Yeah, by selling crap animal feed at low prices and building a slaughterhouse on cheap land next to a fucking nuclear power station.
He's got a point.
Mike, we've been over this 100 times. Do you care or do I care who buys this food? As long as we get paid at the end of the month, who gives a shit?
But surely what the livestock eat must end up inside us.
Don't worry about it.
That's a stupid thing to say, Linda. You got cheapskate farmers like Savage who don't give a fuck what their livestock eat as long as they get money in their grubby little fucking hands at the end of the day.
Jason does have a point, Linda.
It's a dog-eat-dog world. Well, in this case, it's a cow-eat-cow world.
So you don't give a shit what goes into your body then?
No, I'm a vegetarian.